Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing two skulls out of the new Ultimate Skulls Orc series. So we have like cool mean looking skulls with impressive fangs. I'm painting on the eggshell colored Chromolux paper. And I'm using black and white as opaque, and the rest of the colors are transparent. And I'm using a purple, a magenta, and a light brown for the whole video. So I started with the first black because I have like the eggshell color background. So I need to lay down the white first. And I used a black and the purple for the first step. This is now the second stencil, and I'm using the purple there, and the part of the eyes, the nose and the jaw, using black to make it a little bit darker. And now on the third step I'm using the magenta. And then in combination with the light brown, that's a color I mixed myself. It's like 90% yellow and 10% purple. You will see the same as skin tones by pinups, that you get like nice brown tones with the combination of the purple and the magenta. Now this is a method for the small dots. I take the air horse and I bend it so that nearly no air comes through, and so I can make small dots and spots like pores of the bone with every color I like. So as you can see, I get these small dots, and you get like an extra detail on the bone structure there. So, and as a finish, I'm using full white. And then the skull is ready. So about 3 to 4 minutes for one skull. And now I'm putting on the cover stencil to start with the second skull. So I'm laying out a little bit of color that's darker than the skull on the outside. And I start with the second skull. On the bottom you can see these skulls on the gray background with all the variations I have. So I think there are 18 different Orc Skullz in different positions. Again, first step I mix purple and black. And on the second step I just use the purple and a little bit of black for the eyes and the jawbone from the backside. And also I'm using the technique with the small dots, like to reduce the air to get some small dots. So this would be the technique to use it in the stencils. The advantage is that you get like the different colored spots and dots only in the areas that are darker and not all over the skull. Same now with the magenta. I'll put in a little bit of magenta and then I put the dots also in there for extra detail. And then again, I'm using the light brown. And this time I'm not using the cover stencil because I want to put some colors in the background. If you don't want this, you can just use the stencil number 1, which is like the negative and positive of the cover stencil. Now is the full white time. As you can see, you get like nice highlights. Doing the thing again with the small dots in the areas where there is white. Darkened some parts of the black in the teeth and the eye. And then I use the cover stencil to do more color for the background. So for this I'm using a standard red. And a little bit of purple for the drop shadow. And some white highlight for the side of the skull. And now the skulls are finished. So I hope you enjoyed it, and can subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for new videos, and thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.